Hey traders, welcome to my Psycho Forex Trading Weekly Forex Forecast video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Dollar yen, and along with a lot of Forex pairs. We do daily live streaming on YouTube during London and New York session, so do subscribe our channel and turn on notifications so whenever we start our stream you get a notification. We hope all of you made good profits last week during live sessions. Okay, so now we'll start with our DXY analysis. So DXY here create a beautiful channel and the fifth wave is completed around this region. So now DXY is hold this area of 618 right now. In the next week, for next week it's going upside. So now we're going into the euro dollar is in the beautiful range, as you can see. It going a little bit upside, but we do not buy during this. We are only looking for our sell setup. Okay, so euro dollar is going down. Now going into the pound dollar. So pound dollar here is a create a beautiful triangle, so higher probability chances is going to the upside, but by any chance it will broke this level, and here the channel is broke from this region, and here it's going down, retest this level. By any chance it broke this trend line, so it will go downside. Okay, so now going into the GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, here is the trend line, and it broke right now. So the GBP JPY is in the range and create a like a channel, and then it will go downside. Okay, so we are only looking for sell setup in GBP JPY. So now going into the dollar yen. So dollar yen here is the trend line which I took, as you can see. So once it break the resistance, the previous resistance, once it break and retest this level, it's going all the way to the upside and create a new high. Okay, and if by any chance dollar yen is dropping, we do not sell, we are only looking for our buy setup. Now going into the Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar in the 4-hour time frame create a beautiful head and shoulder, and also in the 4-hour and daily time frame the channel is broke. As you can see, the red line is broke from here, the retracement here is the broke retrace. As in the 4-hour time frame, you can see this high didn't break the previous high. Okay, so it will go down, take a major support, and then it's going the downside. Okay, and here you can also see create a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. In the daily time frame also create a head and shoulder like this. I will show you. So head and shoulder, and here is the broke of head and shoulder. Okay, low. So right now higher chances is going to the downside of Aussie dollar. Now going to the USD CAD. CAD dollar, here is the broke the trend line, and In this situation, the CAD dollar is in the range, so I am only looking for our buy setup all the way to the upside, but we do not sold by any chance it will drop. We do not sold, we are only looking for our buy setup in dollar CAD. So now USD CHF create here is the create a triangle of ABCD EV correction, and here is the broke, the retracement is the compulsory. So here the retracement and go downside. So right now in this situation, here is the support, the hold this area, and by any chance it will broke this resistance and create consolidation area, then we are only looking for our buy setup. NZD USD. So NZD USD also broke the trend line, and right now in the situation to the left hand side, here is the clear range, so it will go a bit upside, but we do not buy. We are only looking for our sell setup in New Zealand dollar, US dollar versus US dollar. So now going into the Dow Jones US 30. So US 30, as you can see, here is a create a channel, and the channel is broke. Now here a retracement, so higher probability chances is going to the downside. So we are only looking for our sell setup in US 30. Nasdaq broke the previous high. Here is the full create a channel around this region, and here is the area. So right now NZD USD is in the range, so there is no trade setup in the NZD USD. S&P 500. S&P 500 is also like US 30. So here I took a trend line, as you can see. So here this channel is broke. From here it's broke, retrace the trend line, and then it will go downside. To the left hand side, as you can see, it will go downside, and here is the major support area. So we are only looking for sell setup in S&P 500. Gold. Here in the gold is the gold trend was changed from this region. Right now during live session, here I took a sell entry, and it goes down, and our TP1 is hit. Then about this region I took I told that it will go upside of retracement of 786%, and then it will drop about this region, and as per my analysis it will drop, and hope you enjoy all profits in the gold trade. So in the gold trade right now, no range. Once it breaks the trend line, then we are looking for our sell setup. Once it broke the trend line, this trend line, then we are only looking for our sell setup to this region of negative 100%. Now going into the silver chart. In the silver chart, here is the ABCDE wave correction completed around this region, and uh, here I took a sell entry and it will drop, and from E wave completion here I got a confirmation in the smaller time frame that buy, so we took a buy about this region, and this trade is running, and here the triangle is broke and retrace the trend line, and then here I got an entry to the our first target is almost achieved. So right now silver is going a little bit downside, but we are only looking for our buy setup. If by any chance it will drop, we do not sell, we are only looking for our buy setup. Euro AUD. Okay, so as you can see, Euro AUD is broke a beautiful broke the trend line. Here I got an entry of 2nd of April, and from 2nd of April it will go upside, and here I took 233 pips, and I took 75% of profit, and here create a channel and the broke channel, and it will go down. So the higher chances, as you can see, it bounce from here, so high probability chances is going to the upside. So we are only looking for our buy setup in Euro AUD. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is the same as Euro AUD. I am looking for our buy setup from here. By any chance it will drop, we do not sell, we are only looking for our buy setup. Euro JPY. Euro JPY in the daily time frame, it's in the range. This is the range, here is the resistance area, and here is the support area. So Euro JPY is in the range in the 4-hour time frame. Euro JPY is going a bit upside and retrace the 786%, then I am looking for our sell setup. So Euro JPY is going down. Now US oil. As you can see, US oil create a channel. Here is the 5th wave of completion in a bigger time frame, in the daily time frame. Here is the broke 5th wave is completed, broke this trend line a bit up, going upside. We took a sell trade around this region, and it will go down, but then after it will go upside. But during live session I told that it will go drop definitely. So here I got a beautiful pips, and right now the market is 62.13 level, and it going a bit upside. Then I am only looking for our sell setup in US oil. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is here is the broke trend line, and at this situation it will go upside of 618% retracement, then it will go downside, but we do not sell from here, we are only looking for our buy setup. And it go upside, and then we can see our trade setup for next week. XRP Ripple USD. Okay, so Ripple, here is the correction. 1 2 3 and 4 wave here is the completed. So by any chance it will drop from here. We do not sell, we are only looking for our buy setup, make a new high of 5th wave, or it can be directly go upside from current market. So I wish you a successful trading weeks. Thanks for watching. We hope you that learn something new. Do subscribe and like this video. Now see you on Monday during live session. Thank you.